Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your face unlock not working on REALME P3. Let's begin! So there are a couple of ways in which we can improve our face unlock. But first of all, let's simply head into the settings. Then let's scroll down a little and head into security and privacy. Now, scroll down, enter device unlock, enter fingerprint and face unlock, and lastly, face. But before we do that, we first need to input our current lock screen password, and now we have our face interface. That's a nice joke. But there are a couple of things we can improve. First of all, we can enable Brighten screen in dim light. Usually the issues with detecting face unlock are the light conditions. And as you can see, we even have it written right here that to ensure your face is recognized successfully, don't use the face recognition in a strong light or low light or backlit conditions, because otherwise the function will just not work properly and you will struggle. So if you have a very poor lighting conditions, you probably want to, for example, enable this so your screen will also lighten your face, but also you can just enable the lights in your room or whatever. However, if the original face scan was also made in some dark conditions, the face scan will also very worry about it. So what's very cool is that you can just delete your face data and simply go with add face once again. And even in add face, we have all those information that we want to keep our face within the frame, and we want to avoid that light that is too bright or too dark, because otherwise the face scan will be just screwed up and you won't be able to use it to actually unlock your device using your face. So with that in the mind, let's simply go with add now. Now we want to go and add our face in the frame. I was unable to unroll because I didn't pick up the phone fast enough. So now I will look directly into the camera, and by the way, you can always take some sort of microfiber cloth and give it a nice scrub, because there is also a high chance that the camera itself is dirty, and because it's dirty, then the face scan will also be dirty, let's say. So I will now look directly into the camera with a nice lighting conditions coming from the monitor, coming from the lights here, and I will now record my face. And beautiful! I would advise you to basically take a scan when you're looking directly at the camera, just so it can have an easier time detecting your face later. And now we can simply hit done. We can now lock our screen and check if it's working. So let me do this. As you can see, it didn't work. Let me try once again. And now it did. And now I can just move our finger and unlock my device. And yeah, I think that's all for the video. If the video helped you, remember to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.